A mix-up with the reservation.
Hello, welcome to the Blue and Sun Hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Ivan Petrov.
Just a moment. I don't see your name here.
That's impossible. I have a reservation.
Could you spell your last name again?
Petrov.
Thank you. Here it says Pedro Ivan.
No, it's Ivan Petrov.
Oh, I see. Looks like there was a mix-up with the name.
So, I do have a room.
Yes, a double room.
Great. Can I check in now?
Of course. May I see your ID, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks fine now.
Perfect. Thanks.
Would you like a room with an ocean view?
Yes. If possible, please.
One moment. Yes, we have one available.
Awesome.
Here's your key. Room 305.
Thanks. Do I pay now or later?
It's up to you. Most guests pay at checkout.
Okay. Where's the elevator?
On the right at the end of the hallway.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Petrov.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Problem with the shower in the room.
Front desk. Good morning.
Hi, this is Camille from room 210.
Yes, Ms. Camille. How can I help you?
There's a problem with the shower.
What kind of problem?
It's broken. Too much water's coming out.
Oh, really? You can't turn it off?
No, I can't.
Is the water still running?
Yes, a lot of it.
I see. I'm really sorry about that.
The bathroom's all wet.
Please close the bathroom door for now.
Okay, I'll do that.
I'll send the maintenance guy right away.
Will he take long?
No. He'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Thank you, it's urgent.
Yes, ma'am. He's on his way.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. We'll fix it as soon as possible.
Perfect, I'll wait here.
All right. Have a nice day, Ms. Camille.
Thanks, you too.
Mix-up with the towel at the pool.
Hi, excuse me?
Yes,
I think this towel's mine.
yours. No, it's mine.
Really? It looks exactly like mine.
Yeah, all the hotel towels look the same.
True.
Where did you leave yours?
On that blue chair, right over there.
I was on a blue chair too.
So we must have gotten them mixed up.
Looks like it.
Is yours wet?
Yeah, a little.
Mine too.
Does it have your name on it?
No, not at all.
Mine doesn't either.
What a mix-up.
It's okay.
Do you want to use this one?
No, that's fine. I'll just ask the hotel for another.
Good idea.
It's really hot today.
Yeah, it's boiling.
How's the water?
Really nice.
Do you swim often?
A bit, usually in the mornings.
Me too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, first time at this hotel.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, very peaceful.
I love the pool.
Me too.
Anyway, sorry about the towel.
No problem.
Have a good day.
You too.
Demandez une couverture en plus.
Front desk. Good evening.
Good evening. How can I help you?
This is Anna from room 108.
Yes, Ms. Anna. What can I do for you?
My room's really cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is the heater not working?
It's on, but the air feels cold.
I see. Would you like me to send someone to check it?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll call maintenance.
Thank you, but I'm cold right now.
Would you like an extra blanket?
Yes, please. One more blanket would be great.
We'll bring it right up.
Thank you so much.
I can also send you a small heater if you'd like.
A heater? Yes, that'd be great.
Okay, I'll send it along with the blanket.
That's very kind. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Will it take long?
No, about 10 minutes.
All right, I'll wait here.
The maintenance guy will check the heater too.
Perfect.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Miss Anna. Have a good night.
Thanks. Good night.
Confusion between two clients.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Excuse me? Could you help me?
Sure. What's up?
I'd like to have the sheets changed, please.
The sheets?
Yes, they're kind of dirty.
Oh, I don't work here.
You don't?
No, I'm a guest, just like you.
Oh, sorry. I thought you worked here.
That's all right.
It's just that you're wearing a white shirt, like the staff.
Yeah, I get that a lot.
Really sorry about that.
No worries, it's fine.
Are you staying here too?
Yeah, room 204. You?
206, right next door.
Oh, we're neighbors then.
Yeah, what a coincidence.
So, I should call the front desk, right?
Yeah, better call or just go down to the lobby.
Thanks for letting me know.
No problem.
How embarrassing.
Don't worry, it happens all the time.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
The TV won't turn on.
Front desk, good evening.
Good evening. How can I help you?
This is Julian Martin from room 310.
Yes, Mr. Martin. What seems to be the problem?
The TV won't turn on.
It won't turn on at all?
No, the screen just stays black.
Is it plugged in properly?
Yes, I checked that already.
Does the remote control work?
No, nothing happens.
I see. Did you try the power button on the TV itself?
Yes, that doesn't work either.
I'm sorry about that, sir.
It's all right, I just wanted to watch the news.
I understand. I can send our maintenance guy to take a look.
Great, thank you so much.
Are you in your room right now?
Yes, I'm here.
Perfect. He'll be there in about 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait.
Thanks for letting us know, Mr. Martin.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good evening.
Thanks, you too.
I left my card in the room.
Good afternoon.
Hi there. How can I help you?
I've got a bit of a problem.
Sure. What's going on?
I left my key card in my room.
Inside the room?
Yes, I closed the door and it's still in there.
Got it. What's your room number?
312.
All right. And your name, please?
Pierre Dubois.
One moment. Yes, I see your reservation here.
Great.
No worries. I can make you a new card.
Thank you so much.
I'll just need to see your ID for security.
Of course, here it is.
Thanks. One moment.
Sure, no problem.
Here's your new card.
Thanks.
Try not to leave it in the room again, okay?
Yeah, I know. It was an accident.
Happens all the time. Don't worry.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Dubois.
Have a great day.
The card is not working.
Good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
I'm Claire Moreau from room 204.
Yes, Ms. Moreau. What seems to be the problem?
My key card isn't working.
You can't open the door.
No, the red light comes on.
I see. Did you try it a few times?
Yes, 3 times.
Are you sure it's the right card?
Yes, of course, room 204.
Sometimes the cards get deactivated.
Really? Why's that?
If they're close to your phone or a magnet,
Oh, it was in my purse with my phone.
there you go. That's probably the reason.
Can you fix it?
Of course. One moment, please.
The receptionist swipes the card again.
All right, it's reactivated now.
Great. Will it work now?
It should. If not, just come back and see me.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Ms. Moreau.
Have a nice evening.
Thanks, you too.
Spilled coffee in the hotel lobby.
Oh no! I spilled my coffee.
Good morning, sir. Is everything all right?
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. What happened?
I dropped my coffee on the couch.
Or on the lobby couch?
Yes, right here. Look.
No problem. We'll clean it up right away.
I'm really sorry about that.
Don't worry, it's fine.
It was an accident.
Of course I understand.
Can I help you clean it?
No, thank you. We'll take care of it.
Are you sure?
Yes, don't worry.
Sorry again.
No problem at all, sir.
Thanks for being so kind.
You're welcome. Would you like another coffee?
Can I get one here?
Yes, at the lobby bar.
Perfect, thank you.
I'll bring you a new one.
That's very nice of you, thanks.
My pleasure.
I'll be more careful next time.
It's okay, it happens all the time.
Thanks again.
You're welcome, sir. Have a great day.
Checking out of the hotel.
Good morning, sir. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I am.
Great. What's your room number, please?
215.
One moment. Yes, I have it here.
Everything okay?
Yes, 3 nights with breakfast included.
Perfect. How much is it?
That'll be $180 in total.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here's my card.
Thank you. All right, all set.
Great.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Under the name Julian Martin.
Sure thing. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Do you need a taxi to the airport?
Yes, please.
It'll be here in about 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Did you leave the key in the room?
No, here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Martin.
Thanks for everything.
My pleasure. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Goodbye.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and let me know in the comments what situation you'd like to hear next. See you soon.